first grade friends, and welcome back to Math with Miss Applewhite. It is so good to see you again today. Today we are continuing to learn about money, money, money. And money is very important because it is something we will use for all of our life. And somebody told me on Monday that money is needed to buy the things that we want and need. So we wouldn't be able to have those things without money. So we have already learned 2 coins. The first coin was this one. What is this coin called? Yes, very good. This coin is called a penny. Everybody say penny. Good job. And how much is this penny worth? Excellent. 1 cent. Great job. Our next coin from yesterday was this one. It's got Thomas Jefferson on it, our 3rd president. What coin is it called? Very good. You guys are so smart. It is a nickel. How much is this nickel worth? 5 cents. Excellent job. And how many pennies would it take to equal this nickel? 5. Very good. And why? Yes. Great job. He said that each penny equals 1, so it would take 5 of those pennies to equal that nickel. Super smart. Go ahead and kiss your brain. So today we're going to add another coin. Can anybody guess what it is? Of course you can. You can see it. But this is our coin right here. Zoom in. It's smaller than the nickel. It's smaller than the penny, but it's worth more than both of them. How interesting. So what is this coin called? Dime. Everybody say dime. Very good. So the dime is silver like the nickel, but it's smaller and it's a different color from the penny. So that helps us kind of figure out that a dime, which one is the dime. So this is a dime and we will color it silver. Remember we talked about silver is very close to gray. So we'll just say, pretend that I have a silver and I'll color this. Okay, so this is a dime, color it silver. If we look very carefully, the person on the front, I moved my paper again. Sorry about that. The person right here on the front is Franklin Roosevelt. He was our 32nd president. So again, we have another president on our dime or another coin. So we've had Abraham Lincoln on the penny. We had Thomas Jefferson on the nickel, and now we have Franklin Roosevelt on the dime. So our presidents were really important, and we honored them by putting them on our money so we could remember the great things that they did for our country. So this is the front with his face. And then on the back, you will see it says 1 dime. Well, that's easy. I know what a dime looks like on the back because it tells me at the bottom. It says 1 dime. But the back of the dime has a torch and an olive branch and an oak branch. So it has all those little different symbols on the back. Now that we know what the dime looks like, does anybody know what its value is? Yes, good job. It is worth 10 cents. So everybody with me, what is the value of the dime? 10 cents. Great job. And we know how to count by tens, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Excellent job. But our whole goal right now is not to count the money. It's just to recognize the money and to tell me, how many pennies would equal this dime? So how many pennies would equal a dime? You. Yes, I love how you showed me. Yes, she said, well, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It would be 10 pennies because each penny equals 1. Excellent job. Kind of like our tens and ones, how it takes 10 of those little cubes to equal a 10 rod. Excellent job. So this dime is worth 10 cents, and it would take 10 pennies to equal that dime. Great job. So I would write it like this: 10 cents with the word. Is there another way I could write it? Yes, you just said the C with the line through it. Yes, that is our symbol for cents. Excellent job. So now you guys are ready to show what you know. So you're going to log into Seesaw and you're going to find the same sheet on our activity. Now remember, yesterday you pressed Save as Draft. So you're going to open up that same activity and you're going to go to page 3. Because remember, this week's work is all in one activity, so we can see your entire work for the week and see how well you have progressed or grown as the week has gone on. So this is page 3 of your Seesaw activity. It'll be about the dime. A dime is worth blank cents. How many? Yes, very good. So I would write 10 on the line. It takes blank pennies to make a dime. Well, we just talked about that. We said those pennies are equal to 1. So how many of those ones would it take to get to that dime? Yes, 10. So smart. Then you will trace your word dime. D-I'm. Oh, there's that foundations that we had with that long I and that sneaky silent E. So we can sound that word out. D-I'm. Dime. We have that long vowel because of that E. Now, it says color all of the dime silver. I don't have silver. What could I use? Gray. Very good, because those are very close in color. There are 10. See if you can find them all. So again, I'm going to see dime. Remember, the dimes are smaller. And it's got here's your examples if you need it. Remember, it has Franklin Roosevelt on the front. So I would say 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I've already found 4. How many have you found? When you finish this, remember, we're going to save as draft again, because tomorrow is the last day where you will submit everything and show all your good knowledge about your coins. We have one more coin that we will learn about tomorrow. Any guesses? Oh, goodness, you guys already know. I can't wait to see you tomorrow as we learn about our last coin and we finish up learning about money. Happy learning, guys.